Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really easy, yum, keto low carb dessert for you. I've got a chocolate mousse with cream cheese. Now I know a few weeks ago I shared a 2 or 3 ingredient chocolate mousse, and I've shared loads of chocolate mousse recipes, but I just can't stop experimenting and sharing these yummy recipes with you. And I'll leave a link down below to the blog post, which has step-by-step instructions that you can pin, bookmark, save, whatever you want to come back to, so that when you want to make this chocolate mousse, it'll be right there for you. And make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know when you give this recipe a try, any adaptations you make, or just what you think of it. I look forward to reading your comments. So let's get into the recipe and I will talk you through all of these ingredients. We've got cocoa powder over there. You use cacao powder, cocoa powder. This is just a nice rich chocolatey cocoa powder. I've got some Irish fresh cream over there. Use any cream you like that you can whip up into thick, stiff, white peaks, fluffy white whipped cream. That is what we want. I've got stevia. That is the sweetener I like to use. Use whatever sweetener you like that agrees with you, that you enjoy using in your diet. And finally, I've got a bowl full of cream cheese over there. I've been keeping it out of the fridge for an hour or two just to get it nice and softened up, and we're going to get to work and create our chocolate mousse now. Okay, we've got a bowl and we're going to pop a cup of cream into the bowl, and now I'm going to use electric beaters and I'm going to whisk up cream until it's just starting to thicken. There we go. Can you see it's just starting to thicken? It's going to get much thicker still, but we want to add our cocoa and our stevia in now. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of our stevia. You can add more to taste depending how sweet you want it. And we're going to do 2 tablespoons of our cocoa powder. And we're going to whisk that in and get it nice and smooth. You can see it's already looking chocolatey and delicious. Now we're just going to finally add in our cream cheese. Okay, softened cream cheese going in. And now we're going to give it a final whisk till we have our smooth chocolate mousse. And we'll just give the sides a little scrape down just to make sure we get everything incorporated in. And one final little whisk. There you go, and it's done. Look at that chocolate mousse. It's so creamy and just amazing. I'm just going to move it off into a bowl, and it's done. And you can pop it, oh, look at that, so yum. You can pop it into the fridge if you want to for an hour or so to thicken and to just chill up, but you've got just a beautiful chocolate mousse, which, as you saw, it took no time at all to prepare. It's so easy, so yum. Tastes kind of like a chocolate cheesecake without the crunch. You could add a couple of nuts over to top of it just to give it a bit of a crunchiness if you want, but it's amazing. It's one of my best yet. I know I've done so many chocolate mousse recipes, but I can't stop and I'm going to keep going. But thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos too, and leave a comment. Let me know if you've given the recipe a try. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post where there'll be the step-by-step instructions, all the ingredients, everything you need to make this really easy, yum keto dessert. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.